All right, next up is Dalila Reynoso.
As you consider this county budget and the burden placed on taxpayers, I want to ask this question. Are we being good stewards of taxpayers' dollars? Right now, we have more than 20 individuals sitting in our county jail waiting to be transferred to the behavioral hospital. Additionally, a person who sits in jail, there is a cost associated. Smith County Jail operates approximately $20.4 million in fiscal year 2020. By fiscal year 2025, the adopted jail budget had grown approximately $29.5 million. That's an increase of more than $9 million. The average cost for the jail is in 2025 was $2.46 million per month, $586,000 per week, $80,800 per day. These figures represent the overall jail operation budget, not only the people with mental illness. There's a significant cost to have someone sitting in our county jail. My questions to the commissioners are, do we even know how many people are on the forensic wait list? And of those individuals on the forensic wait list, how many individuals are on the MSU wait list? And how many are on the non-MSU wait list? Taxpayers deserve to know, because we know the average wait time is 2 to 3 years. How many people are currently being served in jail-based competency, and how many are refusing to engage in jail-based competency as well? Taxpayers have several questions that we are deserving for you guys to answer for us. We need an immediate audit of the forensic wait list. I'm going to ask every commissioner right now, since y'all were answering questions of the public, and for my time to stop, how many people are currently on a forensic wait list?
I don't know the exact account, but the accounting of that number, but I'm not allowed, because I handle the mental health commitments, to come into the meetings and actually address those things.
Commissioner Moore, how many people are on the forensic wait list, and how many are on the...
I couldn't tell you. I would direct the question to the person who handles that. Have you asked them?
Once again, it's very important if we are asking taxpayers and for our taxes to go up, because we know a great bulk, the state is not going to reimburse us. The state is not going to save us. We as taxpayers are absorbing the cost. Commissioner Drury, do you know how many individuals are on the wait list? How is it that I know how many individuals are on the wait list and what the average time is and what that cost is?
I'm not aware of how many are on the wait list, and I do wish we had a report monthly on what's going on over there. That'd be great for transparency and accountability.
You and I have spent quite a few hours in my office and via conversations about these things, and you're aware I've gone to the different homes where we house these individuals. There is a component of their privacy. Even when I entered the home, they were given the option to go in their room and shut the door, because we're dealing with people that are experiencing situations, and they very well may be the person I run into a restaurant a month later. Half of them chose to go and shut their door when they found out I was coming to do the visit most recently. There is some reporting available. As you know, it varies quite often. I've got an average of where we stay. As far as the in jail, that number also varies, and there's been a lot of success reported with the program. And I really encourage you to get with Chief Pink, Sheriff Smith. He's got staff over there. Mental health is a crisis, not just for Smith County, but for the entire state and beyond. So I applaud your energy and your efforts, and I certainly think you can take that and you can help and apply it in areas, and we'll certainly take any ideas and recommendations you have as far as actually bringing better outcomes to these individuals and preventing the reincarceration of these people.
So once again, it's not just up to the sheriff. The sheriff's job is only to house them. It is for all of us to come together with common sense solution that includes our prosecutor, Jacob Putman. And once again, we have had individuals who have timed out of our forensic wait list. So that means that if someone is sitting there for 2 years, they have to be released with no real meaningful treatment, and then they come back. They've been part of a revolving door. It's not just on the sheriff, it's on all of us, even including taxpayers. So I would encourage that they invite me to those meetings so we can come up with some common sense solutions.
I'd like to add something, if you don't mind. We're here today to talk about budget. So as far as the relevance of what you're asking about being within the budget, I would like to make sure that the money is being spent wisely on that. The other point I would make is this. I have a first cousin who is schizophrenic, and the family is very protective of her. So I would just respectfully ask that you make sure that you're not using people in her situation as a pawn for a means. Make sure that you're not dragging their personal things into the public. It's fine if we want to make sure that we're taking care of them, but I just ask that you're respectful about it, please.
And I do want to add, I appreciate the work you do. I've seen, we've talked many times. I've seen you down at state. I've seen here. But I will say that I just spoke with Chief Pinkerton recently, and I'm focused on mental health all the time. I mean, it's every day I'm dealing with someone with mental health issues, and we're either I'm deciding their future and what they can do. I'm doing the best I possibly can for them. And so I'm focused the problems in the jail as well. But what we've done in the past few years has been, when you ask Chief Pinkerton, you ask the sheriff, has been remarkable, the change, just the treatment for the mental health within the jail. They said it's changed dramatically. We don't have the serious outbursts and things that we've had in the past that create real issues for our detention officers, and they just gave me that report recently.
Okay, well, we have some folks currently on the forensic wait list that are going to be timing out pretty soon and haven't received real mental health treatment, and the jail will never be the solution. It's not a behavior hospital.
Thank you. All right, next up is Mr. Bill Bella.